I look horrendous. I don't even know whose hat I'm wearing. It is so hot here. We are in the hottest heat wave recorded in like a really, really long time in Italy, and we are in the southernmost point of the hottest part of Italy right now. It is 40 degrees Celsius every day before the humidex and stuff. And we can't get away from it because we have no AC on the boat. It's really bad. So we're trying to weigh our options and decide what to do. We're seriously thinking about just abandoning ship at this point, leaving it somewhere and just driving north until it's not so effing hot. Oh, it's all sand. It looks really nice. Okay. Go. Go. Do your jump. Jump, 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 jump.
Perching.
Doing the parrot. Go. Come on. You got this. Good boy. Hey, give her that stick. That's my stick. Hey. Ready? This way. There's a big rock there. Look, Lenny. Here. Ready? Get it. Get it. Good boy. Oh, you didn't get it. Get it. Get your stick. Hi, buddy. So we're probably just gonna hang out in the water. It's like the only place that you really can be. Even Lenny is a water dog now. But without AC, it's like horrible. Oh, that's cute. Ah! So yeah, we'll keep you guys posted on what we end up doing because it is just getting hotter and hotter and hotter, and they're saying don't come out of your house, and we don't have a choice because we're in a boat and we don't have air conditioning. So yeah, I want to just go. I want to just head north, rent a car, leave the boat, start driving north, and rent an Airbnb or something until the heat wave's over. That has air conditioning. I never thought I'd say that because I hate air conditioning and I hate being cold, but this is horrible. It's just, yeah, it's like a lot for the dog too. So the ground turns into like lava during the day because the sun and the heat. So the dog actually, he can't go outside between like, well, he can't be outside after 11 a.m. Like, it's like the ground is already like lava.
It just burns his feet.
Yeah, and then he can't go back inside until, or sorry, he can't go back outside until like after 6 p.m. and that's even stretching it. Like, it's the ground's still lava until like 7 or 8. So like, he's really, he's just like stuck in the boat. We take him for his morning walk at like 5:30, which is fine because it's cool then. And everything's still shaded. It's not cool, that's crazy to say, but the ground isn't hot yet because it hasn't been sunny on the ground yet. It's still like 40 degrees out, but. And then, oh, he's so cute right now. I don't know what he's looking for. And then we'll take him for his lunch walk at like 10 to 11 kind of thing. And then he won't go out again until 6 o'clock because it's just way too hot during that part of the day. So I don't know, maybe I can convince Austin to go to Switzerland. I really want to go to Switzerland. I want to go up in the mountains in Switzerland. I'd want to rent a car and drive there, but it's quite a drive. It's a 16-hour drive from this part of Italy, because we're right at the bottom of the boot, of course, and the hottest part. But yeah, maybe we'll get him on board. We'll have to see. He swims out here for me to hold him. You gonna swim all by yourself? We have 22, 23 knots right now of wind, and we were supposed to be getting nothing again. It's like